Hey guys, today in this video we're gonna be talking about what's new in the Reminders app, this time in iOS 18, iPadOS 18 and macOS Sequoia. So if you guys follow WWDC, then you might know that Reminders app is getting a new update, and that is the cross connection with the Calendars app, which basically means that whatever you will schedule in the Reminders app will automatically be seen in the Calendars app as well. And not just that, you can create, view and edit your reminders right from the Calendars app itself. So for this video's purpose, we're gonna be showing this feature in iPad. But don't worry, the process is still the same in iOS 18, iPadOS 18 and macOS Sequoia. So as you can see, right now I have my iPad, and let me first open the Reminders app. And as you can see, I've already added few of the reminders of today's date. So now let's add a few more of them. So just tap on scheduled here and select the date for which you want to add the reminders. Let's select 25th of June and add reminders here. So as you can see, I have added few more reminders on this date. So now let's go back and here search for Calendar app. And here at the first you'll see no events. But if we scroll to side for the date we added a reminders, and here you can clearly see that the reminders are being shown here in the Calendars app. And you can select any of the reminders, and if you go on the right side, here you'll see the option of show in reminders. So just tap on it and it will automatically open in the Reminders app where you first mentioned this reminder. And you can check off these reminders directly from here too. Now again, if we go back to the Calendars app, and here again you'll see this option of edit. So just tap on it here, and here if you can see there are lots of options given. You can change date, you can change the time of this reminder so that you never miss it. If you want to repeat the reminder for weekdays or weekends, bi-weekly, monthly, every 3 months or every 6 months, then you can also do that here. And there are other features as well, for example of location, if you want to set priority, or whether you want to make it as a list or not. And all of these things you can do right in the Calendars app. Once you have added the reminders in the Reminders app, you don't even need to open it again. Just do it from the Calendars app only, which will streamline your process of managing your tasks effectively. Now let's say in the Calendars app, I want to add a new event. So just tap and hold here, and that way a new event will be added. Now if you go to the right side, here you'll see two options, either an event or a reminder. And that way you can add reminders directly from the Calendars app as well. So let's just add a reminder of, again, a meeting. And after I've added what the reminder is about, I can again change the settings if I want to, for example, date, time and other things. After that, just tap here on add. And that way your reminders have been added directly in the Calendars app, which was previously not possible in iPadOS 17 or iOS 17. So that was all about the Reminders app and its integration with the Calendars app, this time in iPadOS 18. And with the same steps that I showed you in iPadOS 18, you can do similar things in iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia as well. Having said that, if you like this video, then definitely share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel, that is iGeeksblog. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video talking more about Apple. Until then, keep enjoying your life.